Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the Google Play Store, and actually before, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and it doesn't really matter if you will have the Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, but I highly recommend to connect with the Wi-Fi, because if you will download something, then you may be charged if you are using the mobile data. So remember about that. And here, after entering the Google Play Store, it depends. If you're already logged in, you will have to tap on this circle, which is your account. If you're not logged in, you will have to do it. So just enter your email, enter your password, and then tap on this circle, which is basically your account. Let's tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see, right here we've got the section Updates, and here we've got all apps which can be currently updated, for which we can download the updates. So basically, if you want to, you can of course update all, so all of them will be downloaded and installed. But if you want, you can pick only like one or two of them. So let me pick, for example, Google Wallet and maybe Google One. Just tap on Update right next to it. As you can see, they will disappear from this list, but they will appear at the very top of the screen of the list, and they will be downloaded, and after that they will be also successfully and automatically installed. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So that's all. This is how to update the apps in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.